Now the next word is, see which letter it is? H. And the sound is H. Now again, as I told you that A digraph is coming. So I will not say the sound of I. We will not say the sound of I. So the word, how we are going to pronounce this word? H, A, O. H, A, O. Hail. Hail. H, A, O. Hail. Again say with me. H, A, O. Because I has given its power to A. तो क्या sound हो जाएगा? A. H, A, O. Hail. Now see some more words. Which word it is? T. T का क्या sound होता है? T. Sound of R is R. T, R, A, N. T, R, A, N. Train. T, R, A, N. Train. ठीक है? Now some more words I am going to show you. See, this is, which letter it is? R. And the sound is R. R, R, A, N. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Rain. R, A, N. Rain. R, A, rain. Rain means बारिश. Some more words. Last word is this. Now read this. This, which letter it is? G. Sound is G. You all know sound of R, R. Now you all have understood this word. A. G, R, ain. G, R, ain. G, R, ain. I is silent. Na? So I hope you have understood this कि how to pronounce this A letter. ठीक है? Now I hope you will understood what is the long vowel sound and what is the short vowel sound. Now with the help of one activity I am going to tell you this. Okay?